trend line using the method of least square. This method is most widely used in practice. It is a mathematical method and with its help a trend line is fitted to the data. First we see the formula. Equation of trend line is y is equal to a plus bx, where a equal to sigma y divided by n, b equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square. We see one example problem. Fit a straight line for the following series. Estimate the value for 1985. The first row year is given. The second row production is given. Count the number of data. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here n is equal to 7, which is an odd number. If n is equal to 8, that is even number. We have some modification in the formula. N is odd, therefore we have to take the year as small x, and the second, always take the first row year as small x and the second row as capital Y. In every problem, if n is odd or even, take the year as small x and production as capital Y. Okay, write the data. 1978, 1979, 1980, 1981, 1982, 1983, 1984. This is our small x. Where capital Y is the production. Copy from the question. 125, 128, 133, 135, 140, 141 and 143. Next, we must find our capital X. Capital X is nothing but small x minus middle value of capital X. What is the middle value of small x? Middle value of small x is 1981. Since it's an odd number of data, we can take the middle number as the fourth number, that is 1981. Capital X is equal to small x minus middle value of small x, that is 1981. We are going to subtract 19. The first row small x is 1978 and minus 1981. 78 minus 81, that is minus 3. Next, 1979 is our small x minus 1981, that is minus 2. 1980 minus 1981, minus 1. 1981 minus 1981, 0. 1982 minus 1981, plus 1. 1983 minus 1981, plus 2. 1984 minus 1981, that is plus 3. Okay, we found our capital X value. Next we need capital XY. We are going to multiply capital X and capital Y. Capital X is minus 3. Capital Y is 125. Minus 3 into 125 is minus 375. Next, minus 2 into 128 is minus 256. Minus 1 into 133, minus 133. 0 into 135, 0. 1 into 140, 140. 2 into 141, 282. 3 into 143, 429. Next column is our capital X square column. Capital X square is, capital X is minus 3, minus 3 the whole square is 9, minus 2 whole square plus 4, minus 1 whole square plus 1, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Next, we are going to find A and B value. A formula is sigma sigma y by n. Therefore we add the sigma y. Sigma y is capital Y addition column. Adding sigma y value, that is add all the number 125, 128 up to 143, we get that value is 945. This we found for a equal to sigma y divided by n. Next b value is sigma xy by sigma x square. Therefore we add sigma xy value. Here negative number as well as positive number are there. Adding the 3 negative value and adding the 3 positive value, then you simplify the data, you get the answer as 87. With the help of calculator, I found that answer is 87. Next we need sigma x square. Sigma x square is nothing but the addition of the last column, that is 9 plus 4 plus 1 and so on up to 9, that is 28. Now we are going to find a and b value. Equation of trend line is capital Y equal to a plus b capital X, where a equal to sigma y divided by n. In our problem, sigma y is 945. N is the number of data, that is 7. 945 divided by 7 is 135. Next b value equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square. Sigma xy is 87 and sigma x square is 28. 87 by 28 equal to 3.107. Using the calculator, I found that a and b value. Substituting in the trend line, y equal to a plus bx. B is 3.107 capital X. Next we are going to convert capital X and capital Y in small x and small y, where capital Y and small y are equal. Therefore I take this as small y. Right, 135 plus 3.107. Capital X value is nothing but x minus 9,981. This is the relation between small x and small y. That is, this is the relation between the year and the production given in the question. Now we are going to find the trend line for each and every number. First I am going to find the trend value for 1978 when small x equal to 1978. Then trend value is, substitute here, y equal to 135 plus 3.107 into my x value is 1978 minus 1981. You will get 135 plus 3.107. 1978 minus 1981 is minus 3. Minus 3 into 3.107. Multiply these two values plus 135. That will give the number 125.679. Similarly, when x is equal to 1979, my y value is equal to, substitute here, 135 plus 3.107 into 1979 minus 1981. That will give the value as 128.786. Similarly, find the year for x equal to 1980, 1981, 82, 83, 84. We get the value that you write in the tabular column. Now the trend value for 1978 is 125.679. Just now we find the value. Trend value for 1979 is 128.786. Trend value for 1980 is 131.893. Trend value for 1981 is 135. Trend value for 1982 is 138.107. Trend value for 1983 is 141.214. Trend value for 1984 is 144.321. But in the question they are asking the trend value for 1985. We are going to find the value for 1985. That I should substitute here. Put x equal to 1985 in this equation. We get the value for 1985. Y equal to 135 plus 3.107 into 1985 minus 1981. I am going to simplify. Y equal to 135 plus 3.107. 85 minus 81 is plus 4. Simplify this data, multiply these two values, then you add it to 135, you will get 147.428. The value for 1985 is 147.428. This is a very important question for BCom. That definitely come in 10 marks.